Hello, in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this smart key that belongs to a Ford Fusion. The procedure applies for the model years 2013 to 2016. And there are another 4 cars that use the same key fob, so the procedure also works for them. And the first thing that I'm going to do is open the physical key. There you go. And then hitting this part, probably you guys can see there is a tiny hole here. What I'm gonna do is, using that hole and this screwdriver, I'm gonna place my screwdriver there and then pry up this to remove this upper cover. There you go. And with this, I'm removing the cover. Alright, I have my battery here exposed. The next thing is putting my finger on top of it to avoid the battery just fly out, and using my screwdriver, I'm gonna pull it out. The model of this battery is CR2032 and it's a 3 volts battery. Now I'm gonna place back my new battery. Let me push it in. Here we go. I'm gonna place the cover that I removed. The only thing that I have to do is push it against the key and it will snap in its position. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I'll appreciate if you click on like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.